You just joke. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You know what, we're laughing. We're laughing because just as I pick up the camera, babe repeat exactly what I was about to say. Exactly what I was about to say. So I'm dying now, just repeating. Hi babes. How are you guys doing? Tyler said morning to the fam bam.
What one?
Oh.
What else then?
Tyler, you have to look at them in the same
but
time.
they're not seeing you.
But you're not in your casa right now.
Walk one, guys.
No estás in...
Midea.
No estás
Midea panicada.
a tu casa. A tu casa. A ta casa.
Your turn, Sarah. Simba.
Careful.
I nearly broke out my back on some of the vehicle. Just to vlog. Huh? Just to vlog. Sure.
Mama.
Say morning.
Mama.
Wait. Say morning. Say hello. No? You're just gonna turn away your head?
Hello.
You guys. Yes, Ty.
To go
Mama.
to Shada Botany,
Mama.
we need to go straight.
Yes,
Never
Ty.
turn.
Okay, Tyler.
Never need to
You guys,
cross.
we are on our way taking the kids to go to the park. Taking them to get some fresh air out of the house a bit. Taking them to the park to let them burn a little calories. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. We're just cruise controlling today. Whatever the day says to do, that's what we're doing. Look at this part of my hair. This part of my hair stays struggling. Whenever I comb my hair like this, because it's so short, it's just always popping out like, hey girl, I'm here, I see you. Anyway, you guys, I don't know why baby's walking so fast, but I'm trying to keep up with him, but he's walking so fast.
Mama,
Look at
you're
him.
walking more fast than Papa. Mama, walk as fast as you can. Like that you can catch Papa.
No, Papa just love walk fast, like him a run, him a do walk race. And you know,
Look.
you smash it.
No.
And it doesn't matter where we're going or what situation we're in, babies, him don't know how to walk slow. Him don't know nothing about walking slow.
I walk fast? Why don't you say that you walk slow?
No, I walk at a normal rate.
Why you always say
No.
Why don't you always say that
You
you
walk
are late?
fast. You walk fast. You walk fast.
Than Papa, Mama.
You?
Yes.
The amount of poop.
These
On
people
the
just
way.
nasty.
Oh.
If you have a dog, treat the dog like your child. If you can't pick up the dog poop, you're not supposed to have a dog. Oh my gosh. You're walking on the street and every other step is a big pile of poop. I don't see the sense of having a dog and the dog poop on the street and you can't pick it up. Then don't have a dog. You don't deserve to have a dog. Nasty.
So every time, if you have a dog, every time you just take a scoop or something, you take your dog outside, and if your dog poop, just take it out with the scoop.
Exactly, and then put it where?
And then go back home and put it in the bin.
Exactly. Even Tyler can tell you that. Now if Tyler can tell you that and you have a dog and you don't know that, shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Yes, that's a dog rant. Look, even the signs. People have to put signs to tell them, look, no dog peeing and coming up, no dog pooping. Because this street is known for that. And it's one of the most beautiful streets. And they just litter it with dog poop, line it with dog poop. When the kids walk into school in the mornings, they just skip, hop, jump in, and many of them smash it. Because sometimes Tyler and I will be walking and we see a fresh pile of poop, and by the time I drop Tyler and going back home, it's smashed.
Like Papa one day smashed a cat.
Tell you about the secret.
Which secret?
What's the secret? I'll never tell you again. Never.
Hey, that's the next.
No more PS2.
That's the next thing with Tyler. If I am pooping in the street and I see Tyler coming, I'm sitting down in it. I'm not letting Tyler see that I'm pooping, or else the entire world is gonna know that Mama was pooping in the street. So babe step in the poop one day, a dry poop. I think I was with them, but I was ahead, and Tyler run come and say, Mama, Papa just step in the poop.
So then you're gonna say to a teacher. Guess what?
Step in the poop, Papa, smash that poop. Alright, we're entering the park. There's fishes, big fishes down there. You guys can see.
Whoa,
Look at the big one.
big fish.
Go, I don't want to see the frogs. There's a little waterfall. There are frogs down there too.
The frog is there.
Move, you're too live. Lots and lots of beautiful fishes.
Mama,
Look at this big one.
Mama,
Yes?
I don't know why every time we go to Tata, but I need to go see frogs.
The frogs are there. You just have to look for them. And look, see one there. Look, see him there. Let me zoom up on him. See him there. He's looking at us. Look. Honey, you don't see him? He's directly right in front of me at the edge. Look in the camera. Honey, look in the camera. See him here.
I see him.
He's at the edge. He's big. He's at the edge.
Yes, and he's brown.
He's at the edge of the end of the thing, at the first beginning. Right here. He's right in front of me.
Mama, I can see that he's brown right there, Papa, look.
Baby, he's right at the edge.
I see him.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I think I do.
He's scary. I can't look at him anymore. Baby, you don't see him?
Yeah, I think I do now.
But because babe don't have his glasses.
Let's go play now.
Okay, let's go. The waterfall is beautiful. It's beautiful. Yes. Oh, creep me out. That's what frogs and lizard does to me. He's the creepiest thing.
That's so rocky.
It's a rocky.
Yes.
Okay.
Papa, look, it's rocky.
Sorry, I was like.
So is it rocky to me?
Go. I hear people.
Me too.
Sarah! Sarah, go to Papa. Papa gonna carry you. Our head. Watch our head. Go, Sarah, go.
Papa, si tu touches les blancs, attendez, moi je fais 3 bouches. Je ne sais pas, Henri, il est pro. Viens, je fais des
Est-ce que vous voulez que je le mette dans la poubelle là?
Oui. Go, Sarah. Wow, go, Sarah. She's stepping, you know. Ooh.
Attends.
Love the slide. Okay, come. Papa going to carry. She's excited. She ready. Watch her foot. Her foot. Let her go. Let her go. She's okay. Let her. Good girl. Yeah. So look at them. Tyler playing with his friends. Look at Sarah. Sarah look busy. Guys, we've been back and I'm in the kitchen making din din for the fam bam. And I'm making oxtail today. Oxtail the tail. Yes, it's raining outside. That's where my pot is right now, almost finished. I like my beans to cook with the oxtail, so I'm gonna throw that in there. Hold on, Tyler. Hold on, Tyler. And I'm gonna let that finish cooking. And that's that. Okay, you guys, my job here is done for today. Some white rice, some steamed veggie. I have green beans, carrot, and broccoli in there. And then the oxtail. The oxtail is done. There we go. Okay, you guys, there goes my dinner. Dinner and the boys are already eating. Look at them, face down in the plates. And I'm watching church at the same time. If you hear that voice, watching church. This church is a church in Texas, my mom's church that I'm watching.
That's back to him. Are y'all with me?
Sarah, ready? Ready. Ready, ready, ready. A for apple. Apple. B is for balloon. Balloon. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Woof, woof, woof. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fawn. Fish, fish. G is for God. God. H is for horse. Horse. No.